Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 in white Oreo. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Smack that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. And drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And again, like always, I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. So today, we have a look at the Air Jordan 4 Retro GS. So we got the grade school versions of the white Oreo, or as Nike or Jordan brand would like to call it, it's the white fire red tech grey black. And just want to give a big shout out to our friend, our family, Angelica, who was able to cop a pair. She got this from StockX actually, so we'll show you the little tags. I wasn't able to get a pair, Jeff wasn't, nor Chris. We really wanted to get a pair because these were crisps, these were so clean. As soon as I open this box, you will see why. But a big shout out to Angelica, you're gonna love these, and thank you for letting us review these. So today we've got a look at these Air Jordan 4 Retro GS, so that's grade school in the white Oreo colorway, and we've got this in a 5 youth, which is a UK size 4.5, and it's a European 37.5. And let's get to opening. So here, and you get the little stuff from StockX, like little certificates and that. There it is. And just to make sure that's all authenticated. I don't know how to properly pronounce that word, but you know what I mean. It's verified here with this little tag. So let us start with the outsole. It's your typical Air Jordan 4 outsole. It's all rubber. You've got a herringbone traction patterning here, and instead of a Jordan logo that's found in the middle, you've got the Jumpman logo. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit is encapsulated with an air unit. You can see it here through that window. This is one of my favorite designs on an Air Jordan 4. It's more prominent in one of my favorite Air Jordan 4s, the cement grays. And you can see the splatter patterning that you'll find on the cements here on this Oreo. And you can find it there on the lace locks as well. Now, what I love about these Jordans is that it is an homage to one of the best Air Jordan 4s to come out. That isn't the cement 4s, it's the Oreos. So the Oreos are obviously they're the black leather versions of this, and this being the white Oreos, this is a white leather upper, as you can see here. And that's the predominant colorway. Obviously, again, it's kind of reminiscent of the Air Jordan 4 cements, but without a lot of the splat patterning here on the reinforcers there. But you can see what I mean, it's pretty clean. Just think of the Air Jordan cement 4s and you pretty much got this sneaker. As I mentioned, the whole upper is made out of this white leather. You can see it here. You got the mesh that's famous on an Air Jordan 4. Find it on the sides, on the medial, lateral, and just there at the front of the sneaker. The lace unit is your typical lace system, flat lacing as well. You got the Jumpman logo at the tongue, and as always in all Air Jordan 4s, if you look into the inner of the tongue, you've got the Air Jordan upside down. We look at the heel tab. So at the heel unit, you got the Jumpman logo instead of a Nike Air. And because this isn't really an OG colorway, pretty much the only reason why there's no Nike Air. And instead of this heel unit here being plastic, it's a continued leather going up towards here. I think that's better personally, because that plastic one, I used to dig into my heels and I used to get loads of blisters. So it's a nice little touch from Jordan brand to have. And if you look onto the inner, the insole of the sneaker, I can't tell if this is an All-For-Light, but it looks like an All-For-Light insole. But you don't have the Nike Air branding, as I mentioned, so you got the Jumpman logo and the boys size 5 youth. that rounds it off with our little review of these Air Jordan 4s in the white Oreos. Obviously this being grade school version, I don't know if it's lacking a lot of technology, but I can pretty much see the air unit here. Maybe the levers are different. I wish I had a pair to compare against, but unfortunately I don't. Big shout out to Angelica for letting us review her sneakers, and I'm gonna roll over that footage of her trying these bad boys on. So roll that footage of Angelica.
So these shoes are really comfortable, they're very cushiony inside, and they're definitely true to size. They're a bit tight, but I think the more wear, it will be more comfortable and will adjust to my feet. But I say if you really want, and if you don't mind it like hugging your feet, they get true to size, but if you're not really comfortable with it being too cushioned on your feet, then size up a little bit, like a half, but it's comfortable, really nice.
Thanks Angel again for helping us with this review. Remember guys to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.